Growing up, I learned this implicit message from the adult world that the world is waiting for you, and your job is to figure out how to bend and break and manipulate yourself so that you can find your place in the world. We changed that message to the world is happening right now. It's always happening, and you have choice, and you as a child are the world. You can create it however you want it to be.
We work toward this network of schools that can all be different based on where they are, but share some fundamental values.
When I think of school, I usually think you have a teacher who will just tell you what to do and teach you things, and that's not this.
ALC is a radically non-traditional learning environment.
What we do is create a space where children can be themselves.
At the Agile Learning Center, kids can learn in ways that they want to learn instead of having to be taught everything.
You get to plan your own day and do what you want.
The learner is in the driver's seat of their education, of their experience. Anyone in the community that comes can make offerings of learning experiences.
Kids can offer things.
ZigZag. Darebase, is that happening? Yes. What time? 11:30?
I like when we do beginning of the day spawn and end of the day spawn.
It's really cool because we can set our intentions.
We do an art project sometimes on Monday.
I might do play with clay. I might do Spanish story time. I like to read. I like climbing trees.
Some people say, well, how do you learn?
Human beings have a natural curiosity about the world and want to learn about it.
I have learned so much more and expanded what I'm learning about. It's just my mind's open.
The more they can tap into what makes them interested and engaged with the world, the more they'll be able to do that for the rest of their lives.
If the learner has an interest, they feel comfortable going to the facilitator for support. And if the facilitator has an idea or suggestion and offers it to the learner, it can be really trusted and taken in. It's freedom, but also responsibility to take each other's perspectives, to meet each other's needs and the needs of the community.
And then on Wednesday, we have this thing called Change Up.
We discuss awarenesses of things that anyone in the community can bring up.
What kind of community we want to be, what are our values, how do we want to be with each other.
Everyone has a voice, every child of every age, every adult has a voice.
We put things like awarenesses and issues out there, and we try to figure out ways to solve those issues.
Is that an awareness you would like to put on the board? Okay, putting item.
So everyone feels a lot of ownership and empowerment in creating the space.
I like how connected we are as a school.
People just want relationships, and they want to feel heard, and they want to feel respected and cared for.
And once they feel that, they're so free to engage joyfully with the world and unleash their curiosity.
Not just figuring out how to fit into the world, like I was saying, but being able to make the life that they want for themselves.